Britain has become the first country in the world to approve the Oxford-AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine for use. Inoculations are set to begin on Monday. It's the second vaccine to be authorised by the United Kingdom after the Pfizer-BioNTech shot.
We've got 100 million doses on order. Add that to the 30 million doses of Pfizer, and that's enough for 2 doses for the entire population. So I can now say with confidence that we can vaccinate everyone, except of course for children, because this vaccine has not been trialled on children, and anyway children are much less likely to have symptoms from the disease.
Okay. The Oxford-AstraZeneca vaccine is being closely watched because it's easier to store and distribute compared to other frontrunners. For instance, it can be kept at normal fridge temperature, while the Pfizer-BioNTech jab has to be kept at minus 70 degrees Celsius. The development comes as the UK struggles with a surge of infections driven by a new strain of the virus. More than 53,000 fresh cases were reported yesterday, the highest daily count since mass testing began.
This is potentially a very significant moment indeed. The Oxford-AstraZeneca jab is easier to manufacture, it's cheap, it's easier to store, it's easier to distribute than the Pfizer-BioNTech jab that is already in use here in the UK. Millions of doses should be available to Britain in just the coming weeks. 100 million doses have been ordered in total. The Health Secretary Matt Hancock saying that he believes the approval of the Oxford jab does mean that Britain can get back to normal life by spring of next year. The other thing that's worth saying is that the regulators in approving this new jab have also approved a slightly different way of rolling out both the Pfizer-BioNTech and Oxford-AstraZeneca jabs. They are now going to prioritise people getting their first doses of these jabs because they believe that it's safe to do so, and because a decent level of immunity, of efficacy, does appear to develop for people after they've received their first dose. The second doses for those people will still be given, but a little bit further down the line, and UK health officials believe that that should speed up the process of getting to that point of herd immunity in the coming months.